The correction phase takes place if one or more fields of the job require operator verification. Recogniform Correction Station is the client application that allows operators to verify suspects or wrong fields quickly, thanks to a visual interface. According to the version of software purchased, you can install from 1 to unlimited correction clients. Batches dispatching is managed by Recogniform Control Server, according to job's priority, and to the groups of operators set. The Settings section allows to set some configuration parameters about connection, log, and correction behavior. In the Connection section, you can select the control server IP address and port for TCP IP connection. In the Log section, you can configure log details level: short, full, or detailed. In the Correction section, you can enable the text-to-speech feature, defining voice, speed, and tone. The text-to-speech feature allows operator to listen the field recognized value, avoiding one-to-one character verification. This is very useful, for example, to simplify the verification of numeric data, like credit card numbers, bank account numbers, and phone numbers. The correction order option allows to configure correction by document, or by fields. Other options allow to define corrected fields skip when going to next or previous field, and to enable a correction filter option at correction start. If this last option is flagged, software will not require the first available batch automatically, and will show a window with all available batches, grouped by template and description. In this way, operators can choose the job to correct. If groups of operators have been defined on control server, each operator will see only the jobs available to him. To start the correction of a batch of files, click on Correct Next Batch command on the toolbar. Software asks to the control server the first available batch, retrieves it, and shows the first field requiring operator verification. As you can see, the image of the first suspect field is highlighted in yellow, in order to immediately attract the attention of the operator. Operator can confirm, or modify, the proposed value. To confirm, just press Enter. To modify, type the correct value and press Enter. In this example, software recognized a double mark, proposing an X to indicate an error. The operator decides to assign the value, B. During correction phase, software can use lookup tables for fields auto-completion. This reduces verify time, and improves data accuracy. Also, it can link to external databases, in order to perform validity controls. If required, operator can thrash the document, that won't generate any output. A data entry option is also available. If selected, all document fields will have to be manually typed from the operator. When the batch correction is completed, job is sent back to the control server, marked as ready for the output phase. Correction interface may also include a grid section, in order to visualize documents processed with freeform engine and grid extraction features. In this example, the lower part of the screen includes an Excel-like grid, with rows and columns referred to the items codes, description and quantities retrieved on a shipping document. The same correction interface layout may be available for suppliers' invoices, or customers' orders verification. Operators can manage the grid, adding or removing rows and columns, and performing other useful operations.